Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Programming Packs and welcome to the fourth video of our Python series. In this video, we will see how to download and install Python IDE, right? We have already see one IDE for Python, like Python shell. If you write IDLE, you can use this Python shell and write your programs in here as well, right? But we should have a ID where you can store your programs, right? And you can write your big programs, you can create your project easily, right? If you can use multiple where you can connect to that database as well. So we need ID for that, right? If you have used Eclipse before, okay, if you have a Java I've learned Java programming language and 12 Java projects. You must have used Eclipse, right? So it's help us to create bigger projects and it help us to write programs easily, okay, and fast way. So in same way, we need ID for Python as well. We have a multiple IDs for Python, right? Like Jupyter, Spider. We can use Visual Studio. We can use Pycharm. Okay. In this video, we will see how to download and install Pycharm and write programs on um, PyCharm IDE, right? So before moving to downloading installation of our first IDE, PyCharm, I would like to request you, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go to my programming channel, Programming Packs, and subscribe the bell icon button, okay? And click yes, you click all, and you will receive my all notifications of my upcoming videos. You can go to my blogs as well, right? Programmingpacks.com. Okay, so now we will see how to download and install PyCharm for Windows 10, right? So just write download PyCharm for Windows 10. It will take you to the official site of PyCharm jetbrains.com. Once you click it, okay, once you click it, it will open and you will able to see these two down versions of professional and community. If you're using Windows or Mac or Linux, for you can install for any of these, right? I'll recommend you to install download because it is to community version because it is free and open source. Okay, so and for professional, if you want to use it, have some more features, right? But it is a for free trial. So if you want to use free and open source, you can use the community version. You can download, right? So it will start installing, to start downloading instantaneously. Okay, so then you move to, okay, so it will take time. So I have already installed in my system. Okay, if I go to my softwares list, you can see I have installed both professional and community. So we will install community for now. Okay, so just double click it and it will start installing. It will take a few minutes to install. So we'll go to the whole procedure, right? So we'll go to the next. Okay, then it will show the destination folder. You can change your destination folder as well, but I'll keep it same. Next, okay. So here it's part if you want to add a desktop shortcut, you click on 64-bit launcher. If you want to update path variable as well, okay. If you want to update at open folder, like I'll take it. Okay, if you want to create, if you have your some .py files and you have to associate with your PyCharm, you can click on it. It's like I have already have many Python programs, right? So I want to see all this my Python programs in this. IDE, so I'll just click on it. Okay, and then I click next. Okay, I'll just take it JetBrains and then install. Okay, now it's install all the uh, jars and for required for PyCharm. Okay, you can click on show details as well, so you can see which jars you are installing. Okay, so it will take time, guess 2 to 3 minutes to install. So you can check it's installing Java compatibility, right? So you can this check also what kind of jars are installing, and so Yeah, it takes time. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, great, done. So you can reboot now or you can reboot later. So I will select now, so reboot later. So I click on finish. So it's installed my system. So I can go to my desktop and see if I get yes, a shortcut. Now I have a shortcut for this. So when now I'll click on it. Okay. Now it's opening the Pycharm community version 2019. Okay. So our PyCharm is open, it's loading components. Initially, it takes time to prepare workspace and all. Okay, so it gives the tips, all the tips like how to use, what are the shortcut keys to use it like, right? So if you click next, it'll give more tips. Mm, right, if you know, if you close it, you can close it. You want to close, you don't want to see tips, right? So if right now, if you go to file, now I will write one program and check like our Python is working or not. We'll click on new project. Okay, and I'll write my project name, programming packs, right? And this will show you option, this window, new window, attach, cancel. So I'll go to attach, okay. So, so now it's getting one new project here, right? With the name programming packs. Okay, so our project is created now. So now I can write any Python program. I just click on it and then I'll go to new. Then I'll go to Python file. Okay, you can get Python package. So I'll just so I'll program first program, right? So I'll take it like so. I'll write print welcome to Python series, right? So I just left click and right click. It will me run my first program, right? Or you can run file in Python console, but I'll and run first program. So it will give me result. Welcome to the Python series. So now we can write any big program, small program. We can create projects, right? For our Python, right? So I hope you guys understand how to install and download Pycharm. Right? If you have any issues, please uh, comment on my channel. Okay, so I'll definitely help you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.